Under desk or wall mount. Mount your computer case under a desk, under any secure flat surface, or on the wall to get your CPU off the floor or out of sight for a decluttered workspace. Adjustable computer mount. Fits CPUs up to 22 pounds with a height between 12 to 21 inches and a width between 3.5 to 7.75 inches. Seamless rotation. Swivels with ease a full 360 degrees for access to your PC's cables, ports, and plugs. Scratch-free design. The mount includes felt padding dots to prevent any scratches on your computer case. Easy installation. The bracket comes with all the necessary hardware for both under desk and wall mounting as well as a simple step-by-step instruction manual. Top reviews from the United States. I have a Fractal Node 202 which is a small form factor case, and thanks to the clever engineering of this product, it fit perfectly. I removed everything from my desk, mocked it up to the right-hand side with enough room for wires, and enough room for some swivel, and then used a screwdriver to put in 4 screws to mount it to the desk. This came with a few felt tabs to keep the mount from scratching the case, thoughtfully, and I tacked those on and put the case in and tightened everything down. I will let any potential buyer know that the vertical portion is a bit tricky to get right, and I only have 1 out of 2 screws inserted in now and it works fine, but just do some testing to get everything to fit snugly. But it's a great piece of kit that opened up a lot of space on my desk and I am looking forward to keeping it installed for years to come.